All right, you're welcome back to this channel. And I made a tutorial about how to create a multi-signatory account. In that tutorial, I talked about the advantage of having a multi-signatory account, and the reason why you should have it. In fact, and the opportunity of protecting your funds, your assets with multi-signatory cannot be overemphasized. Okay, so I'm going to leave a link down below so that you can watch the video on how to create a multi-signatory wallet using Gnosis Safe. Okay, so you can also look up the video right here. Okay, so I'm going to leave the link to it also. You can click on it and watch the entire video on how to create a multi-signatory using Gnosis. Okay, so but I could not proceed to the stage of using it to send or receive funds then, because of the fact that the Binance network had a problem, so it was not fully synchronized with the Gnosis smart contract then. So but today I'm going to show you exactly how to send transaction from the Gnosis. Okay, so stick around with me to the end of the video. Now, before we proceed, I want you guys to do something for me. I want you to hit the subscribe button, and make sure that you turn on your notification button. All right, and also if you are just stumbling on this channel for the first time, I welcome you guys to this wonderful channel. Okay, so I make videos about crypto, blockchain, and what you can do to actually jumpstart your career as far as crypto and blockchain ecosystem is concerned. So there are a lot of videos here, and I upload videos, valuable content consistently. Okay, so you want to stick around, and consume some of these videos so that it will help you in this career. So let me go back to Gnosis now. So going to Gnosis, I created this new wallet so that, okay, this exactly, yeah. I created this wallet so that I can use it for the purpose of this tutorial. Now let me refresh this page. I don't know what is only showing receive option. So let me come here and switch to, okay, let me switch this to a wallet that is connected to Gnosis. All right, so let me switch to that. Okay, so you have to take note of that. If you want to send, you have to switch to a wallet or one of the addresses that is connected to Gnosis. So that is quite important too. So I'm going to come here now. Okay, but the first thing I want to do now is to copy the address I want to send to. I created that purposely for this experiment, okay, for this tutorial. So I'm going to copy it. Okay, it's not connected to the Gnosis wallet yet. So now the next thing I want to do is to switch back to a wallet that happens to be one of the signers, okay, that can sign transaction on Gnosis. So you can see send button now. So since we have send button, I'm going to paste the address here. So after pasting the address, the next thing I want to do is to send. Let me say send max. Let's see if that will work. So I'm going to click on review. So this is for advanced parameters. I don't need that. So submit. You are about to create a transaction and we have to confirm it with your current connected wallet. All right, no problem with that. So it will prompt it that I should sign that transaction on MetaMask. Okay, so I'm going to sign it. So I've signed the transaction, as you can see. So it has been signed already by one wallet because two wallets are connected to it. Okay, like I demonstrated in the tutorial. So now look at this now. This is the transaction hash, okay, created already. All right. So need one of two confirmations now. Okay, it needs another confirmation. Okay, so from James. Okay, because this wallet, the first wallet, Mohammed already confirmed it. So waiting for the second one now. So the next thing I'm going to do now is to now switch back, assuming that this maybe James is living in the UK, for instance, or is living in Dubai or somewhere in Africa. So all he needs to do is that maybe I should just send it a chat to him. Hi James, can you confirm this transaction from your side? And that is it. But for the fact that I am in possession of the two wallet addresses, so all I have to do now is to come here and switch to the second wallet address. Okay, which is okay, this one. So I will switch to it. Okay, so you can see that the button now is now clickable. If I should switch to an address that is not connected to Gnosis, let me switch to this address now. What do you see? Okay, it can either confirm or reject it. Okay, if I switch to the one that already confirmed the transaction, which is this wallet now, Gnosis tutorial, you can see it can reject it. Though it confirmed it earlier on, but it can reject it. So, but the fact that we are waiting for another wallet, which is this, then it gives you an option to confirm or reject the transaction. If this one should reject this transaction now, it will not put through. Okay, so if you think that it's a malicious transaction, so sometimes you have to call whoever initiated the transaction that did you initiate this transaction? If the person says yes, then you go ahead and confirm it. Otherwise, you have to reject it. Do you understand? So I'm going to click on confirm. Okay, the estimated gas price and all that. Okay, submit. It will ask me to sign that transaction also. Okay, so I'm going to come here and click on confirm. So after clicking on confirm now, you can see that it's pending. The transaction is pending. So let me pause the video now. So although the transaction is pending, but I think it has already put through. So let me refresh this page now. I'm going to refresh this page. But if you come here, let me switch this to expanded view. So that's expanded view. Okay, so this is the address that I sent the BNB to. Initially there was only 0.001 BNB here. So let's go to the Explorer so they can see that the transaction already put through. Can you see it? Success. So this is how to use a multi-signatory wallet. So as you can see the transaction here from 0.4 cent now to 0.81 cent. Can you see it now? I'm coming, please. Internet transactions. No. If you look at the time 1 minute ago, can you see it is already a success? So this is how to create a multi-signatory wallet. How to send transaction with Gnosis Multisig Wallet. It is that simple. Okay. So see you guys in the next tutorial and bye for now.